Hello and welcome to another episode of Techfanaticofficial, your honest guide to the Cryptoverse. Today I'm gonna give you an update on AIPad. In my previous video, I talked about AIPad and their upcoming launches, and also how you can rank up in the leaderboard, how you can purchase their token, and upcoming launches they have. First of all, I quickly recap the IDO that they had. So Magikal AI was the IDO that was completed last week, and they were successfully launched very well. It was all-time high, 25 times the launch price. It's a lot of zeros, so I can't give you an exact number, but from the starting price, it went around 25 times or 26 times, and people could actually sell at that price and trade at that price. So it wasn't like a small, sometimes you see a small shift or a bump in the diagram. This was actually a legitimate price movement. So the unlock for the token was, I think, 16% on the token generation event. So if someone invested and let's say even say 15%, if someone invested even $100, they would have already got around $250 back. Or even if they didn't sell it on a good peak, $200 back. So that was only their first 16%. So a very, very great ROI for the project. It did very well. And also Magikal AI is now launching on Arbitrum. So it's on Binance Chain, but it's also on Arbitrum Gate. And also it's on Ethereum. So that's going to even give them more growth. Now, in terms of allocations and people who could participate, the top 100 got allocation of around 300 amount for the token. And the people who were on the lower tier, like top 200, they got around $150 worth. So that's still really awesome for a launchpad to give such a great allocation for a small amount of tokens. You know what I mean? And as you can see now, the balances are also increasing for the launchpad. So that was about the IDO for Magikal AI. Now and price of AIPad is continuously doing well, as you can see in the 3 months performance, given that they are going to be launching more and more projects. Now, going back to the AIPad projects, next project that's going to launch, there are two. One is called BasedGPT, and BasedGPT is basically built on the high-tech layer 2 ZK rollup, and it's offering unprecedented speed and security and accuracy. They're going to launch very soon. They're going to be on AIPad, BSCPad, Game Zone, as well as PulsePad. So they're going to be on 4 different launchpads. And at the moment, they're continuously working on their growth. You can understand their features. So they have a small 100 millisecond transaction finality. They've got transaction proof posted in layer 1. They're optimized for LAI. They have no-code smart contract deployment. And they also have a modular software development kit. You can read more if you want. I put the link for easily building the AI power layer 2. And they have a range of core community contributed as well. So it's basically combining ZKlayer 2 technology and uplifting that for a proper AI project. So it's called AI for the future. Lots of developments for the project. You know, they have the on-chain optimizer, data scrubber, and alpha. And, you know, I would encourage you to also watch the demo to see what's happening. They're doing very well as well socially. Soon you will also learn about their tokenomics, but they're going to be a very low valuation and very good unlock. So if you can get into the IDO, I highly, highly recommend it, even though it's not a financial advice. Socially also, they're doing really well, 35,000. Moving to the next project that's going to launch, it's called Flexmeme. And you just saw what happened now with Twitter becoming Dogecoin because of what happened with Elon Musk. So meme season is going to kick off. So it's really timely. Flexmeme is like an AI/meme project. And it's the world's first AI project basically focusing on meme and providing AI on demand. Now, it's really small marketing, initial market cap for the project. So the project will launch on AIPad exclusively, and it's going to have a fair launch mechanism. So there are 3 ways that you can participate in this fair launch. Either your top 1,000 holders on AIPad, top 1,000 token holder, or your top 100 Magikal token holder. So if you have your Magikal, keep it, because that will give you a whitelist for this one. Or you need to be holding, you need to participate in the campaign that they have. So Flexmeme has a campaign that you can make TikTok videos and YouTube videos, and by participating in the campaign, you can actually get a whitelist to their IDO. It's a fair launch, so it means it's not an IDO per se of it's not similar to Magikal or BasedGPT that you buy the token and you get an unlock 20% or whatever. This one is a flexible fair launch where people who get whitelist basically will have ability to buy the token in the first minute of the token. It's like with a cap. So there's going to be a cap, maximum cap of how many tokens you can buy. But when they release the liquidity, they'll whitelist your wallet. So you can buy up to a certain amount. Let's say, I don't know, $100, for example. Up to a certain amount, they will whitelist your wallet to buy. Now, even a $50 allocation for this is big, because the initial market cap for this is going to be $6,750. So $7,000 is the initial market cap for this project. And yeah, you heard me right. Only $7,000. And the vesting schedule is going to be 15% TGE and then 5 months linear. Again, this is a fair launch. So everyone's going to be getting similar amount compared to the other project. Now, just to finalize the summary of what I've mentioned, Magikal did really well. Next IDO is BasedGPT as well as Flexmeme. BasedGPT is going to be on BSCPad and AIPad. So the more AIPad you have, the higher in your ranking you are, the higher the chance for you to participate in the IDO and get a bigger allocation, because it's sized based on the ranking you have. Try to be in top 100. Then you've got Flexmeme, and then Flexmeme is really a fair launch, gonna be super low market cap, and they're gonna have 45% private sale, 30% liquidity. The rest of that is going to be in the fair launch. So the fair launch is what you will be looking for to participate in, basically, when you're participating in this launch. Make sure to either hold Magikal or AIPad, or if you're active in TikTok, do a TikTok video and get a whitelist. There also is a referral link. I will put it in the description. Follow it and see if you can get it. The top 100 also will get an allocation. So this was the summary of the 3 AI projects right now on AIPad. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, put a comment down in the description, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.